Alright everybody, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and here we are in Angola, New York, right on the lake. And we've got all the neighbors out here watching today. We've got the second module of this ranch home being craned onto its foundation now. And the first module is already set over there, as you can see. I'm going to walk over to the other side so you can see this. Alrighty, got up over to the other side here. And you can see this is set already. Let me actually run around to the back here. This is a beautiful home. And it's going on an 8-foot full basement. See down into the basement here. So there it is. So here we are. And so we've got the second module making touchdown here. And this is where they're going to take it real slow and make sure that everything is absolutely spot on. And really nice custom floor plan. In part one, I had said it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. That's what this floor plan was originally, but it has been customized to a 1-bedroom suite. This home is really cool floor plan. And we'll be posting the floor plan as well, so you can check it out.
Yeah, a little more, about a half an inch this way. Let's fire it again.
And it's a staggered floor plan, so you can see this module is shorter than the other module that was set. So that'll all be sided to blend right in. And of course, because that module is shorter, that means that the basement that was built had to be staggered as well. So really cool. It's going to have some really nice curb appeal. And then this roof is going to be lifted up to its peak. And so that's it. And this is, of course, the carrier that the home comes on. So that's it. That's both halves of the home set down. And they are just working on getting that inside set down there. Making sure everything is right on point. And then you'll see them jack the two halves very tightly together, as he is doing right now as it's being set down. So really cool. Always fun to see this. And somebody's got a brand new home. There wasn't a home here at all a couple hours ago, and now they've got a house. So check out part one, and then we got a couple short form videos in the beginning of the job as well. And like and subscribe and follow the channel. We have 400 or 500 videos on the channel now between short and long form videos. And if you ever want any information on these homes, if you want to know what this exact project it looks like as far as what the process is, what the cost is, give us a shout at Homes of Fredonia, 716-673-1366. You know, if you're curious about building, the worst thing you can do is not get any information on it. And our team at Homes of Fredonia makes it really easy and a fun process to just get the tools that you need to possibly build a home one day if you want to. And of course, come down to 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York, to Homes of Fredonia, and check out the over $2 million in homes on display for you to walk through with your family and friends, and check out all the houses. They're amazing, and they give you a really good idea of what this is like, and they'll blow you away. And we also have the home design room inside the office. You got to check out the home design room. It is a lot of fun in there. Some call it the home creation station. So thank you again, once again, Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.